Indeed, I just didn't change the logic of the from the last time. I just tried to a little bit make more my DNA, it's more improved. And what I'm gonna say it's even I can take this two code to the random generate DNA, and what I'm gonna do that I'm gonna use that function. Okay, even I that don't need to pass the num because it's items is accessible to everybody in the class because items is one of the my and what I'm gonna do and I'm gonna say okay maximum weight, and I'm gonna say if my while my fitness fitness is fitness is uh, equal 0, because the first time fitness equals 0, and what it's gonna do is gonna say random generate it's random generate DNA, and after that is the calculate the fitness. That means we never create any our DNA never gonna be not gonna participate. We're not gonna bring any DNA if is the fitness is the 0, is that's not uh, fitness is 0. Yeah, we are saying only we accept who the fitness is the value. That's why we when we create the DNA, we just try to create the DNA as one solution is acceptable. The only thing I change it is that one, and here but let's see what happening here. And new DNA is the size of the gene, and we need to send it the list my items and and again, is for here because the baby is okay. I'm gonna say items and maximum weight. It's I can just for because you can have two constructor, and is one of the good thing in for object-oriented programming. It's when you just have the one DNA is without any input. And what is that exactly? You can, because sometimes you don't need to initialize. Why you use the computer power to use the create something is as you can see, we don't need to okay, actually we need to send our let me just here I just say int number of solution in the number of item is equal 0, and because I need that for the later, I'm gonna say here at the first I'm gonna say my number of item is equal my number of is equal items and items dot size, because I'm gonna have that one. I'm just trying to use the power computer to not calculating the size of the number of them all the time. And I'm gonna say here I'm gonna DNA and I'm gonna say number of item, and I'm gonna in DNA I'm gonna just say okay, just number of the item is a int number, and actually we have to do something here random, because we have to just make it genes, the only thing we need to do is, because we have to allocate memory, is as a n as well. Yeah, we have two constructor, and one of them we just make it genes as a all the value is a 0, because we're gonna, for the baby we're gonna use that one, but for the next time we're gonna use a different one. Now you see I haven't changed anything. Even I'm gonna forget about the factor, and I'm gonna make it simple again, and I'm gonna just say okay, and this is the if factor is going to be half. I haven't choose yet. I haven't didn't use the any probability of getting the better gene. I just changed the program to not contribute with any with the bad genes, just that. Okay, we don't have crossover, we have generated. Okay. Oh, something else. We already have the DNA is the population. Our function of the calculated fitness is going to be so much easier, because we already know. Okay, this is we don't need to already calculate that on. We say only for every item in the population is a DNA, if the rate is actually it's even we don't need that, because already we know that is that one. See, it's gonna be very simple, because my population population array fitness already calculated, because every time we do something to the fitness with our gene is that we already calculated. It's even we don't need that one. We just need here a very simple line, our calculation of the population, because for everyone we check the fitness and just we initialize. We do that just only because of max fitness, because already fitness of all the gene is calculated inside its own DNA, because here is the calculated. And okay, and here we don't need to calculate, but for this one we need to choose it and calculate. And what we're going to do here, weight is fitness is the value, and fitness is the value. If not, the rate is perfect. I'm gonna just go to here in the program and say generate and generation plus, and let's see what we see as output. Does it change getting any better result? And what I'm gonna do, did I run? Where is the console? What happened? Is the window, is the run window, is navigate to console. Something is happening. Let's window, appearance, show window, console. Okay, and I'm gonna just there is one more. Okay, there's something wrong, I think. Let me just run the program and say if the max fitness is the proper max fitness is greater than that, doesn't print anything. Let me, I found a problem, but it's going to be a very small problem. And let me just stop this video. In the next video I'm going to show you the output is definitely going to be better.